In previous class, we discussed alternate segment theorem and its applications also. Some problems we have done related to alternate segment theorem. Do you know the converse of alternate segment theorem? What is the converse of alternate segment theorem? One circle, one tangent, and from point of contact you draw one chord. అంటే ఇది ట్యాంజెంట్ అని చెప్పం, ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసేసుకోండి. అది సర్కిల్ టచ్ అయిన పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఏ అని పెట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఏ నుంచి బీకి ఏం చేస్తారు, ఏ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ టు ఒక కార్డు డ్రా చేయండి. కార్డు డ్రా చేసాక యాంగిల్స్, కార్డ్ ఏబి సబ్టెండెడ్ అండ్ యాంగిల్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెగ్మెంట్. ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెగ్మెంట్లో యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ట్యాంజెంట్ కాదు, యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ లైన్ అండ్ కార్డ్కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే alternate segment angles equal to their alternate segment angle made by the chord and some line are equal, then definitely that line is tangent to that circle. అంటే ఒక లైను ట్యాంజెంట్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు. దేన్ని యూజ్ చేసి డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు? ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెగ్మెంట్ థియరం యూజ్ చేసి. ఏదైనా ఒక లైను ఒక కార్డుతో యాంగిల్ చేసి ఆ యాంగిల్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ద యాంగిల్ సబ్టెండెడ్ బై ఏ సేమ్ కార్డ్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెగ్మెంట్, దెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ విచ్ లైన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్, డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ లైన్ ఈజ్ ట్యాంజెంట్ టు ద సర్కిల్. అంటే ఒక లైన్ ట్యాంజెంట్ అవుతుందా లేదని డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు దేన్ని యూజ్ చేసి, ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెగ్మెంట్ థియరంని యూజ్ చేసి. దాన్నే ఏమంటాం, కాన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ alternate segment theorem. Okay, CAST, converse of alternate segment theorem. Okay, now we are discussing common tangents. It is a wonderful concept, common tangents. The common itself gives you some hint. Take a two or more circles in a plane. Take a two or more circles in a plane. Okay, two or more circles. Observe, here one circle I am taking, here one more circle I am taking, two or more circle. Now you have one challenging task, that is you draw a line. That line must be a tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Such kind of drawing, is it possible? Possible. Draw cheyagalara? Easily we can draw. Observe. Yes, this is the line tangent to the both circles. Okay, if so, that's why this tangent is called common tangent. This tangent is called common tangent. Both circles are same side of the tangent, then the tangent is called direct common tangent. The tangent is called direct common tangent. One more kind of tangent we can draw. See, like this. Observe, it is also common tangent only. It is also common tangent because it is the tangent of first circle and it is tangent of second circle also. Such kind of tangents we called as transverse common tangent. This is transverse common tangent. This is direct common tangent. So now our task is, how many tangents can be drawn to the circles? Common tangents can be drawn to the circles in different cases. Here these two circles are non-intersecting circles. So like that there are several possibilities are there. Intersecting circles, touches externally, touches internally. That all cases we are discussing now. Get ready, my dear students. Observe here. It is the diagram. Next one, nature of circles. Second one, nature of circles. Nature of circles. Number of direct common tangents. Number of indirect common tangents are transversal common tangents. Next, total tangents. Okay, next important one is condition. It is a most important condition for nature. It is the condition. So this column you have to, these are columns required to discuss each and everything. Listen, it is a wonderful concept. Listen carefully. So which kind of circles nana these? These are called non-intersecting circles externally. These are non-intersecting circles externally. That is only nature. What is the nature? Non-intersecting circles externally. Fantastic. So for externally, non-intersecting circles externally, how many direct common tangents can be drawn? How many direct common tangents can be drawn? That both circles same side of the tangent, that tangent is called direct common tangents. How many possibilities are there? One tangent I have drawn already. Is there any other possibility? Yes, definitely we have a one tangent in bottom. So this is one direct common tangent. So this is our direct common tangent. So two direct common tangents are there. How many transverse common tangents are there? Here one transverse common tangent, you got it? One more transverse common tangent. One more transverse common tangent definitely can draw from this side. So that's why number of transverse common tangents are 2. And total tangents. How many total tangents are there? 2 plus 2. 4 total tangents are there. I am explaining you this case. Again, listen carefully. I am explaining you this case. These circles are intersecting circles. These circles are intersecting circles. In intersecting circles, C1, C2 are the centers of the circles. No, the distance between the centers is, observe, distance is decreasing. This is R1 and this is R2. First circle radius R1, second circle radius R2. So these are the intersecting circles. No, so direct common tangents are 2. There is no transversal common tangent. You can't draw the transversal common tangent. So that's why that is 0. Total common tangents 2 plus 0, 2. Observe here, D is distance between the centers is decreasing. Here D greater than R1 plus R2, non-intersecting circles. D is equal to R1 plus R2, that are the touches externally. If D smaller than R1 plus R2, that is intersecting circles. Next case is touches internally. This is circle C1, take it. The center of the second circle, take it as C2. Observe, Nana. What is the nature of it? Touches internally. Touches internally. Observe, this is R1, radius of first circle. This is R2. This entire value is R2, radius of second circle. But the distance between them is very less. Observe, C1 and C2. Now I am asking you, how many direct common tangents are there? Only one direct common tangent. Yes, fantastic, fantastic. Only one direct common tangent. That is, see this. One direct common tangent can be drawn. Next, no direct common tangent. No transversal common tangents. Total is 1. Tell me the condition. Tell me the condition. Your condition is here, difference of the radii is equal to distance. Distance is equal to difference of the radii, R1 minus R2. Take it a modulus, because if R1 is bigger, positive gets, R2 is bigger, negative gets, but distance always positive, no? That's why you take a modulus. So distance is equal to difference of the radii. Difference of the radii. Any other case? Is it possible any other case? Take a, this is one circle and this is one more circle. Here do not touches internally. Do not touches internally case this is. It is C1. It is C2. Do not touches internally. Non-intersecting circles. Non-intersecting internally. Non-intersecting circles internally. This is the case, non-intersecting circles internally. So, is there any common tangents? Is it possible to draw common tangents? No. Zero direct common tangents. Zero direct common tangents. Zero transversal common tangent. Yes, totally zero. Tell me the condition. Distance is smaller than difference of radii. Distance is smaller than difference of radii, because this is the radius of this circle, this is the radius of this circle. Distance between the centers is smaller than the difference of the radius, because centers moves towards దగ్గరకు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి. Okay, so one more case we have, that is concentric circles. Which circles, Nana? Both circles have the same center. It is the last case. Observe carefully, that you called as concentric circles. Concentric circles means both circles having the same center, then that circles are called concentric circles. This you called as concentric circles. Concentric circles. Oh, here also no tangents, direct common tangents, no transversal common tangent. Yes, no, zero. So what is the condition? Tell me. What is the distance between them? Observe here, the center of the first circle is C1 only. The center of the second circle also C1 only, because both are coincide to each other. So distance between the centers is 0. So your condition is D equal to 0.